Hello friends! So today we're here to bring you a silly book called The Flea's Sneeze. Okay? The Flea's Sneeze. Oh, and we've got illustrated by Carla Firehammer and by Lynn Dowdy. The Flea's Sneeze.
Dowdy!
And we've got a kitty and a doggy. A kitty and a doggy in there? What does the cat say? What does the dog say? Ooh, that's right. On a dark night, on an old farm, in a rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. Ooh, look at the barn. Everyone's sleeping. Who's sleeping in that barn? Do you see those animals? A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, and a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. The what? No one heard him cough. Did you hear that? Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him. Sniffle, sniffle. Can you sniffle, sniffle? Yeah. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the old black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard his garbled plea. Does anybody have a tissue for me? Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, achoo! It scared the rat, who cried boo-hoo, and woke the cat, who hissed maroo. Maroo, boo-hoo. It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and focused the cow. Confused the cow, who muttered, what does the cow say? Moo, moo. You say moo, moo, cow? It outraged the owl, who hollered hoo, hoo, and flustered the fowl, who crowed cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked woo, woo, and sprayed the hog, who screamed ew, and reminded the frog of his old nephew. Cock-a-doodle-doo, ew, woohoo, hoo, hoo. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose before his eyes had even closed. He began to doze. For all the rest of that dark night on the old farm in the rickety-crickety tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse he used for a house, the rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat, The cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog. Everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. No one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I gotta sneeze. All right, so here's a little strategy to keep your sneezes to yourself. Take your arm, curl it into an elbow, and put your sneeze in your elbow pit. Ready? Achoo! Good job. You're keeping your germs to yourself and keeping your friends safe. All right, join us next time for story time. Thanks for listening to our silly story today.